In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add custom fonts to Figma. By the end, you'll have your custom font installed on your computer, recognized by Figma in either the desktop app or a web browser, and ready to apply to any text layer in your file. First, download the font file from a trusted website. On screen, open your browser, go to a reputable source and download the font in either .ttf or .otf format. Save it somewhere easy to find, like your Downloads folder. But using a trusted source helps avoid corrupted files and ensures the font installs correctly. Next, install the font on your computer. Locate the .ttf or .otf file you just downloaded. Double-click it to open the font preview window, then click Install. Wait a moment for the installation to complete. This puts the font into your system so apps like Figma can use it. If you're using the Figma desktop app, restart the app after installing the font. Go up to the app menu, quit Figma completely, and then reopen it. This refresh ensures the desktop app detects your newly installed font. Don't worry, restarting is quick, and it prevents the common issue of a font not appearing in the list. If you're using Figma in a browser, download and install the Figma Font Helper from the official Figma website. In your browser, go to Figma's official site, find the Font Helper download, click Download, then open the installer and follow the prompts to complete installation. The Font Helper securely bridges your local fonts with Figma in the web, so your custom fonts show up while you design. Restart your browser after installing the Font Helper. Close all browser windows completely, then reopen your browser and return to your Figma file. This refresh makes sure the browser connects to the Font Helper and loads your local fonts correctly. Open your Figma file and select a text layer. On screen, click into the file where you want to use the font. And select an existing text layer or create a new one so the font menu becomes active in the right-hand panel. Go to the font dropdown in the right panel and choose your newly installed font. Click the font name in the text section to open the dropdown and scroll through or quickly type the first few letters to locate your font. Click the font to apply it to the selected text layer. You should see the text update immediately with the new style. At this point, your custom font is installed on your computer, recognized by Figma, and applied to a text layer. If you're in the desktop app, the restart you did ensures the font appears. If you're in the browser, the Figma Font Helper and Browser Restart ensure the font loads properly for web use. From here, you can continue styling your text, adjust weights and sizes, and reuse the font anywhere in your file. That's it. The custom font has been added to Figma and is now working in your design. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.